In this video, I'm going to show you the 5-minute scalping strategy that will be quite successful, and you will be able to catch very long, big risk and reward ratio trades using that strategy on the 5-minute chart. And if you are a day trader, you can use this strategy on the 15-minute chart. Okay, let's jump into the strategy. So first of all, I'm going to the indicator section. Basically, let me tell you guys that we are going to use the couple of indicators, and we are going to use them with the proper settings that I'm going to explain in this video. So first, for the first indicator, we need to write smoothed. So when we write smoothed, you can see there are a lot of indicators, but we are going to use the one with the author name Jack VMK, and 4,716 traders are using it. This is called smoothed Heikin-Ashi candles version 1 V1. Okay, so if I attach this indicator, this will basically appear on my screen like this, but we need the second indicator as well. So before I move ahead, let me introduce myself. I'm a price action coach. I have a 1-hour coaching program for the price action. You can book your 1-hour coaching program with me. The link of the Telegram channel is given in the description of this video. I have taught the price action to many of my students. They are successful. I have shared their success stories into the group. And moreover, if you are willing to join the best broker that I personally use, and this offers you a variety of trading accounts, as you can see on the screen, so you can join that broker. The link is given in the description of this video below. Okay guys, let's not confuse ourselves, because first of all, let's do the setting. I think for this will be more better if we do the settings of the Heikin-Ashi candle, smoothed Heikin-Ashi. Okay guys, the only thing that we are going to change into the style section, you can see we have the option of wick here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to change the opacity almost to the 0 level, because look, if I increase the opacity, you will see that the gray structure will come on my screen, but I want to make my charts very clear, so that's why I have removed the opacity level to 0%. Rest we will not change inside any of the inputs, and this is the complete it becomes a complete strategy for us. Okay, now we are going to use the second indicator. Okay, now here we need to write pivot. Okay, pivot base trailing. Okay, so we will write pivot base trailing. So when we will write pivot base trailing, then this will come maxima and minimum lux algo, and this is the lux algo author, and you can see 5,484 traders are using it. Okay, now you can see that I have attached this indicator on my screen, and this is ready. But we are going to the settings of the pivot based indicator, because this is quite helpful for us. Okay, so first of all, inside the inputs area, you can see that we basically want to clear our chart. So this is the uptrend area. Okay, so what I'm going to do for the uptrend area, I'm going to remove the opacity to 0. Okay, so I have set the opacity to 0. And for the downtrend area, guys, similarly I will do the same thing, that I will change the opacity level to 0. Okay, and then I go to the style section, and inside the style section I will uncheck the all things other than pivot high and pivot low. That's simple. That makes our strategy complete. Okay, now you can see that our system is completely ready to trade. Okay, so what are the entry rules? The entry rules are very simple. First of all, we will wait for the market to give us a red candle based on the smoothed Heikin-Ashi candles. Okay, and the second confirmation that we will look, we also have a sell signal already running from that indicator. We can go short. Okay, so for example, this is the signal. Okay, so we are going to set up a stop loss little bit high than the Heikin-Ashi candle. Otherwise, you can also target the upper side, that the higher point of the chart. Okay, the previous high, and then you can see that we have almost targeted, like if we judge that trade, that 1.63 trading ratio. Again, you can see we have received a sell signal. You can see long red that was gone into the downward direction. Okay, so one idea more that I want to give you. So guys, take the help from the trend lines as well. So if the trend lines are flowing into the downward direction, and if you see that the trend is simply continuing down, then you can take your trades into the downward direction. There is no need to buy on these signals, because and even when the Heikin turns into green color, no need to buy. Just focus on the main thing, that you are going down. Okay, so for example, let's talk about the gold right now. So even as per the trend line, this is completely into the bearish side. Okay, so this is completely going down. So why there is need to take a buy position? So if you will take a buy position against the trend, then this will happen most of the time, that you will see that even after the green Heikin, you can see the price will pump down, and now later on the red pattern will get started. Okay, so this is quite important to understand. Okay, now look at this one. That has given you a very long ride on USD CAD. No need to sell, because again you will expect the upward move. Again, you can see that it was much better that when the Heikin turns into green color, you can take your potential buy position. So guys, this is all about the today's strategy, and this is quite powerful. Trust me, I have personally used the Heikin smoothed candles, and this works fantastic even if you are going to plan a long trade, even on the 5-minute chart. So guys, moreover, at the end, those who are lacking in the price section, those who do not know that what the candle talks, so they can, if you want to talk with the candles, that what they talk about, and what could be the next move of the market, this is quite possible with the help of price section. If you don't know the price section knowledge, then come to me, book your 1-hour session with me. I will guide you, and simply my students learned and they implemented, and they are making profits from the forex, crypto, and the stock market. So guys, please make sure that you subscribe the YouTube channel, like the videos, and share the videos. Thank you very much for watching this video.